We are Ideographic Designing, a global family of designers, specializing in architecture, master planning, and interiors. We partner with our clients to deliver unique solutions. We are creative problem solvers. We deliver world-class solutions for the built environment. More than 30 projects, masterful designs, Ideographic Designing. Services provided to Saylani Logistic Hub, architecture design, structure design, interior design, project supervision, and MEP. Saylani Logistic Hub, vision of Maulana Bashir Farooqi, chairperson of Saylani Welfare International Trust, aims to cut delivery times and improve operational control which reduce financial wastage. Saylani Logistic Hub, nestled along the M9 superhighway in Karachi, lies a unique gem, spanning across 2 acres of prime logistics hub. A state-of-the-art logistic hub with advanced systems and intelligent machines. Mr. Ali Akber Poonawala, CEO of Ideographic Designing, led the design and execution of the Saylani Logistic Hub. Centennial resilience start to finish. Expansion joints. Solar energy, blood filtration collection, recycling of water in RO plant facility, waste management. Mega civil structure, global quality standards. Dynamic and one-of-its-kind facade. "30 feet height of kitchen. Largest kitchen in Pakistan, serves 2 lakhs people in one go. High-tech automation. Complete steam cooking. Top machinery. 3-level in kitchen. Dry storage and hot storage. Donation store, medical store. Green areas and waterfall. A natural environment. Flatbread factory, grocery store and ration packaging. Natural sunlight everywhere through skylight. Unique slaughterhouse, 35 feet above ground. Automobile elevators transport animals to roof. One of the largest kitchens in the world. Ideographic Designing.